It's a nice and bright sunny day here in the Dolomites in the Belluno region nearby Venice, and we are very proud to introduce our new low-top range of cranes named RTT Low-Top. The low-top is a state-of-the-art crane taking the best from the flat-top cranes and the hammerhead cranes. We have created a new range of cranes in order to grant our rental companies, our partners, the best between the two types of cranes. The first crane that we are erecting today is the RTT 470. It's a 24-ton crane with an 85 maximum jib reach. The crane in object is a low-top crane, as said, and the A-frame is just 1 meter higher than the standard flat-top crane. But it can grant to the rental companies much lighter lifts on the mobile crane, so saving cost first time, and an erection as easy as the flat-top crane. So that's why we have considered this state-of-the-art, a mix between the two types of cranes. The crane that we are erecting today is a foldable counter jib. This is brand new in the market. It means that the counter jib can be transported and then erected complete in one piece with all the handrails, with all the platform. The jib itself will be opened with all its necessary, including the tie bars, when reaching the job site. In this case, the rental company will be facilitated just having one trailer only that will include the counter jib, the platforms, the handrails and the tie bar. Everything will be pre-assembled at the factory. The A-frame itself will have a very fast pin connection with the jib and the counter jib. The jib itself, we have studied the jib with the possibility to have pre-assembled at the factory the first jib section with the trolley ropes and the trolley motor already pre-assembled and the tie bar already pre-assembled at the factory. We had a problem because with the inclination needed from the trolley rope, the piece itself would have been long 16 meters. So we have created a special tool, a special bar that will grant in any case the 12 meters needed on the first jib section to transport the crane with the possibility to have the trolley rope already installed. When we erect at the job site, when we mount at the job site the first jib section with the second jib section, there will be a small tool that will give the rope the right inclination. Also in this case, the tie bars will be completely pre-assembled at the factory and will be good for transport purposes as well, thus granting a much faster erection. We have saved a lot of tons in terms of erecting, in terms of mobile cranes needed to erect this part of the jib. After the second jib section, the crane itself works just like a flat-top crane. So you can erect and dismantle every jib section of 5 meters from, let's say, 20 meters to the 85 and back if needed at the job site. As I said, we have studied this range of cranes in order to grant the rental companies the best performances and the lower cost possible when erecting the crane and when dismantling the crane. Well, it's not only that, it's also when operating the cranes. The new cab consider a new PLC that we studied with ABB that can grant the remote control, I mean the telemetry. So all adjustment in the software and all the controls can be made from remote and even eventually from the technician of the companies from a mobile phone through an app that we have created and dedicated to this range of crane. The hoist winch, well, it's the well-tested kind of hoist winch that we have tested with our luffers, and it will start from 55 kilowatt and will go up to 110 kilowatt in order to grant high speed with a said range of cranes. All the hoist winches will have the possibility to have an emergency brake that we have studied with Stromag in order to grant higher safety on the job site when and if needed, of course. So the erection is now concluded. Thank you very much for your attention. We have demonstrated we can save time and money when erecting this range of crane. So thanks again for your attention.